YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on touch sensitivity for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on touch sensitivity for your S26 device, thankfully, it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for display. And then from there, what you want to do is hit display. From there, what you want to do is scroll down, and the feature that you want to look for is called touch sensitivity. And as you can see, it increases the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. And you can toggle this on using the toggle switch to turn on touch sensitivity. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on accidental touch sensitivity for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.